In the realm of smart home technology, the Smart Wi-Fi Air Monitor is a game changer, offering advanced air quality monitoring and intelligent control of ventilation systems. This innovative device ensures that the air in your home is not only clean but also properly circulated for optimal health and comfort. Continuous air quality monitoring. The monitor is adept at detecting various pollutants, including PM2.5, VOx, and CO2 levels. It provides real-time data, keeping you informed about the air quality in your home. This feature is especially beneficial for individuals with respiratory conditions, or those who simply wish to maintain a high standard of indoor air quality. Smart ventilation control. What truly sets this monitor apart is its ability to automatically adjust your home's ventilation system based on air quality readings. When it detects poor air quality, it signals your smart ventilation to improve air circulation, ensuring that your living space is always filled with fresh, clean air. Integration with smart home systems. Designed to work seamlessly with popular smart home systems like Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Apple HomeKit, the Smart Wi-Fi Air Monitor enhances your smart home's capabilities. It integrates easily, offering a new level of automation and control over your indoor environment. User-friendly app for easy management. The companion app simplifies the process of monitoring air quality and managing your ventilation system. It offers real-time updates, historical data, and customizable settings, all accessible from your smartphone. This level of control makes it easy to maintain a healthy and comfortable home environment. Simple setup and maintenance. Setting up the monitor is straightforward, with quick Wi-Fi connection and easy integration with existing smart home devices. The app guides you through any maintenance, ensuring the device operates efficiently and effectively. Creating a healthier living space. By automating ventilation based on real-time air quality data, the Smart Wi-Fi Air Monitor helps create a healthier, more comfortable living environment. It's a smart step towards ensuring the air you breathe is always clean and safe. For those eager to learn more about how this smart monitor can benefit your home, please don't hesitate to contact me. Visit my page and send an email using the provided address. I'll reply within 24 hours with all the details you need. Breathe well, live well.